when we are told to stop lying. Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam had said, Muhammad can be anything but a liar. Muhammad can be anything but a liar. Muhammad can be anything but a liar. And every time he said this thrice. And every time he said it, his color of his face changed. It became strikingly red with anger. That Muhammad can be anything but a liar. He can never lie. How many times do we think of this when we know we are lying? How many times the cross thoughts our heart that this action that I am about to do, where would it stand in the sight of Allah and His Rasul? This action of mine, is it in accordance with the teaching of Allah and His Rasul? Do I even know the teachings of Allah and His Rasul? Am I aware of what am I supposed to do in making my life decisions? Or do I just do them because everybody else do them? Do I do them because that's what the crowd is doing right now? That's the in thing to do right now. وَمَا أَرْسَلْنَا مِن رَسُولٍ. We do not send a messenger إِلَّا لِيُطَاعَ, except that he be obeyed. The messengers are to be obeyed.